Once upon a time, on a lively farm nestled between rolling hills and golden fields, a group of farm animals embarked on a grand adventure. Farmer Brown's animals were known for their extraordinary friendship, and they often gathered near the old oak tree to share tales of the world beyond the farm. One day, a raccoon named Rory crowed to wake up the farm, as he noticed a colourful hot air balloon descending gracefully into the meadow. He brought news of the Great Farmyard Quest to the curious animals. Rusty the rooster, Daisy the duck, Clancy the goat, and Benny the pig. Excitement filled the air as they hopped on the hot air balloon and soared into a world of magic. Their first stop was the Enchanted Orchard, where the trees bore candies instead of fruits. The animals giggled and filled their baskets with the sweet treats. Benny, who had never tasted candy before, couldn't stop smiling. Next, they ventured into the whispering woods, where the trees whispered ancient secrets. Clancy, with his keen ears, deciphered the messages, guiding the group to the crystal lake. There they met Sparkle, a wise old turtle who shared tales of underwater kingdoms. The Giggle Meadow brought laughter, the misty mountains created rainbows, and Whimsy, a playful cloud, joined their journey. In the Golden Valley, wise owls gifted them a magical key symbolizing everlasting friendship. With hearts full of joy, the friends returned to the farm, sharing tales of their adventure. The farm became a magical place where laughter echoed under the golden sunsets, and the bonds of friendship lasted a lifetime.